how cold is not enough.
Hello everyone. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now and then do click the bell icon so that you can be one of the first viewers to watch my video.
Yo, how's everyone doing? I'm back from Phone Future, and this time I've got a pretty special unboxing with me. This is the Photron Stedy 450 tripod, which can used like for DSLRs and probably for mobile phones too. Yep. So now let's just quickly talk about the tech specs of this thing and get to the next portion of this video. So let's talk about the maximum height that this thing can extend up to. It is approximately 4.5 feet and the foldable length would be approximately 495 millimeters. And the leg diameter of these things, the leg diameter of these three legs would be 20 millimeter. The tripod weight is approximately 700 grams and the maximum load that this thing can take is up to 2.75 kg. So that's pretty nice because it is probably portable for most standard DSLRs, mostly all DSLRs. The sections is a way on 3, pan head is 3-way. The load capacity is this, maximum height is 4.5 feet, diameter of legs 20 millimeter, sorry. So yeah, so the MRP over here is written like 1800 rupees and I got it for a pretty nice deal, so must say that it was a worthy buy. And the bag is the carry bag is included in this box. Again, talked about all these things, lifetime warranty, etc, blah blah blah. So yeah, that's it. Now let's quickly just get up to the unboxing of this thing so that we can just quickly unbox this thing. Let's just quickly pull this thing out from this box. And again, this is the carry bag, sorry, that is included. So yeah, let's just quickly take this tripod out of this carry bag too, so that we can easily carry on to our next video. Okay, so it's a pretty hard job, you know, if you know, like, recording this video. It's probably the biggest unboxing that I have ever done on my channel. So yeah, let's just quickly take out this plastic too. Okay, again with one hand it's so difficult to unbox this thing. Okay, now as you can see, we have taken out this thing out of its box, and let's just quickly okay, so this is probably like, okay, yep, so this is how this looks. And there is an extra quick release plate. So it comes with one, is attached actually, as you can see, and there is another one in case probably if you lose one or break one, I don't know. So yeah, they have, it's a good thing that they have provided an extra quick release plate. Okay, so let's just keep this thing aside too. So this is how the tripod looks. There is the foam grip for a nice thing. So this is how this thing looks. Currently it's fully like folded, it cannot get more shorter than this. So here is warranty card, blah blah blah. Let's get on to the new things. So just, if you want to now, let me extend the tripod and just tell how this looks. So we're gonna quickly open up the 3 clamps of these legs so that we can like quickly just extend this thing. So as you can see, let's just quickly place this thing down over there. Okay, before, although we can place this, we have to be doing like fully extending and then locking this thing, all the legs separately. So wow, it's a pretty extended tripod. I did not expect that. So let's just confirm that this is fully extended. Okay, one leg closed. There are like flaps kind of things that close down. Okay, so one leg is fully extended. Let's just quickly extend this leg too. Okay, one leg closed. Again another flap, this is also tightened. Let's just get on to the next flap. Quickly gonna be opening this up too. Okay, so extending this, and now the other clamp part too. It's just pretty hard, that with just one hand it's pretty hard to do this unboxing. Oops. So now we have closed all these legs, and now just quickly we're gonna set this thing down at the floor for you, just to give you guys an idea on how tall this tripod does look like. Okay, yeah, so I think this is all set right now. So this is still, although you might think that this is the 4.5 foot tall, but actually this is also again not fully 4.5 foot tall. So let me just give you quickly an overview of this tripod. 3 legs. So if you guys now are wondering whether this how to, then if I'm saying that this is not fully extended, how do I extend this to 4.5 foot? Well, there is again one more thing over here with which you can probably extend your tripod to max. So you have to rotate this thing. As you can see, this thing is coming on top of this. See, so you can rotate this as long as this thing comes out. Okay, yep. So as I have fully rotated it, we are now just going to be clipping this down. And now to ensure that this does not come back, you have to rotate this, which will fully ensure that this thing is then fully tight and does not come back. So that's the feature of this thing. Yup, so this is now this is fully 4.5 foot tall. It's pretty much almost as much me. So I must say this is a pretty nice quality tripod. So here are again multiple handles. Now this is the pan handle, you can say, and here you can rotate this where you might want. There's again a lever if you want to adjust how this thing, whether it should move how much, and this thing too. There's again another lever. Let me just close this one so that it is easier for you to show you guys. Okay, so what this will do is, by this thing you will be able to actually adjust this thing on how much it should go up and down. That's it. And now, in which the box we talked about the bubble level. So here, as you guys can see, you can see the bubble level by adjusting the pan handle, and then approximately by tightening it, you can see this bubble level and just adjust accordingly to it. So that's how this thing looks. Now if you want to take this out and put this on your camera, what you have to just do is stretch this thing this much, and now quickly you have to be taking this thing out. Yup. So as you can see, you just stretch this thing and you can just take this extra handle out. And again, this is pretty much the similar thing that I just showed you earlier, only the plate. So you just again, when you have to insert it, you just fully now press that thing back. Place this as it was previously. Okay, so I'm pretty much having a big trouble with one hand, it is pretty hard. Okay, yep. done. So that's how you can remove this extra this plate. You can adjust this thing. Now I'm gonna actually be using this with my mobile phone, and to use this thing with mobile phone you have to purchase one extra thing known as the mobile clamp for the tripod. So I have purchased this. Let's get back to our desk. So this is the mobile clamp that I have purchased, and this thing is like almost usable for every phone. And this is guys, if you have a selfie stick, you can probably see that, and you can probably find this exact same thing in your selfie at your selfie stick too, in your selfie stick too. So if you have a selfie stick, you can just probably take one out of that and use this thing with this. And if you don't, I'll probably leave a link down in the description for you guys to see. So this is the simple mobile clamp. This is around 100-200 rupees. A pretty standard mobile clamp, again not thing big. Here is the hole in which you will be inserting the tripod. So let's just quickly, now we're gonna be doing this only. Okay, so this is a standard thing, not a new thing. The hole will be obviously of the same size only. And if you are like having troubles in inserting this, you can again release the plate from this thing and then tie it up. So no big things in that. And again, if you are obviously having a DSLR, there is obviously this hole in that DSLR, so you can just tie it up with that. Okay, it's like pretty tight right now, so just gonna fully, okay, just gonna be keeping it like this only. Still can rotate, I don't want to break this thing, so just gonna keep it like this for now only. So this is how this thing is going to be fitting on top of this extra plate. And now if you want to shoot, you can always, like, if you tighten this or this, you can adjust this thing, the rotation of this thing, that's it. If you again like tighten it, it will be fixed, so you won't be able to do anything with this. So if you, that's it, that's how the tripod looks. If you guys want me to do a little bit more detailed review and a bit more impressions on this thing, how it works, you can obviously check that out. And you can please just comment down and tell me what to do, like how to, like what to do more videos about this thing. Which more videos do you want? You want how reviews, how this thing performs? I'll give you a brief review also if you want, so comment down below and I'll get back for that to you. For now I think that's it. Probably gonna use this thing a bit more now, so yep. So hit the like button, comment down what your suggestions and how you think whether you should buy this tripod or not. Yep, for now that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till the time, peace out, bye.